Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular code editors in the world. Have you ever wondered what is VS Code? Why should you use it instead of other editors? Or how do you set it up and get started? Well, in this video I will answer these questions. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What is VS Code? Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, fast and powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports multiple programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, C, and many more. It also has built-in Git support for version control. It's also highly customizable with extensions and free and open source. So why developers love VS Code? It's fast, lightweight, doesn't slow down your computer like heavy IDEs. It also has intelligent code assistance, autocomplete, IntelliSense and debugging tools. It also have integrated terminal, run commands inside VS Code. You also have extensions marketplace, customizing your workflow with thousands of plugins, and also it has a multi-language support. Alright, so let's install VS Code. First, we're gonna search for VS Code's official website. You go to download, and since we are using Mac, or at least I'm using Mac, let's go with the Mac OS. Alright, so you click open, and voila, you have your VS Code installed. For the sake of simplicity, I usually keep in my most used tools in the dock. Alright, so since we are done with the installation, now let's check out our extension marketplace. In the extension marketplace you find many popular plugins which you can use with your code editor. It can transform your VS Code basically for a very handy tool or for almost any language. In my case, I prefer to use for example different tools like Prettier, which for example helps format your code automatically. So let's search for Prettier. See this one. It has a lot of downloads, as you can also see. There's a very small documentation about what does Prettier do. But let's not waste some time about this and then just install Prettier. Alright, so since now we have Prettier, in the future we plan to do some coding. So for this we can use an ESLint. ESLint is basically helps with linting for JavaScript and TypeScript. And since we are planning to use those in the future, we just install ESLint then. Again, as you see, there's like a small description about it, how it looks, what it does. Then you can just click install. And there is one other plugin that I would recommend using called GitLens. GitLens is basically improving GitHub and Git integration in your VS Code. So you click GitLens, and then it explains what this is, and then there's a very good, again, documentation about it, what it does. Alright, and then just click install and trust publisher. We're just gonna use the free version, so just mark done. With this we are done installing our IDE, and then now we can take it into use in our next following projects.